When fabric is woven, long threads are placed the entire length of the loom. The direction of these threads compose the main grain line of the fabric. This direction is called the lengthwise grain, straight grain, or warp. This direction of the fabric runs parallel to the selvage. That's the factory finished edge on your fabric. There is little to no stretch in this direction. To create the fabric, additional threads are woven in the opposite direction. These threads run perpendicular to the original and are called the cross grain. They're also often referred to as crosswise grain or weft. The cross grain is not quite as strong as the lengthwise grain. This direction of the fabric has just a little bit of stretch. For example, when you wear a pair of jeans and they're a little bit looser at the end of the day, that's because of the stretch along the crosswise grain. The bias grain of a fabric runs diagonally and can be found at a 45-degree angle to the other two. This direction of a woven fabric has the most stretch.